Welcome back, and to those that are new, thank you for coming on by, and please consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. And if you like this video, please do those as well as hit the like button. Today, Black and Blue is going to receive a, as far as I'm concerned, needed update. So let's get into that. There you go. That's the B-roll for the upgrade of Black and Blue with the addition of a 240 radiator by XSPC and Arctic fans to complement that. Also the Sabrent Rocket 4. Now, one thing I did not put in the B-roll was the Corsair SF750 Platinum. I figured it wasn't that interesting, so I just left it out. If you'd like the descriptions of these particular devices that I upgraded Black and Blue with, I'll have them down in the description below, as well as links to support this channel if you would like to purchase these products. So with all that being said, if you liked this video, please hit the like button. Also, subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, and hit that notification bell. And this is Chris, saying out.